Sewer scope at 10112 Southeast 206th Street, Kent, Washington. This is at 120 feet, 117 feet. This is the farthest we can get the camera out. There is a large amount of turns. The line actually comes out the back of the house, wraps around the front, and then back to the other side of the front. So there's just about 6 turns slowing us down throughout this. I'm going to turn the audio off now and start pulling back. So as you can see, we're an SDR35 pipe. The majority of this line is this green SDR35. After that, I think there's one section of white PVC schedule 40. You'll note